Hey bucket list buddies, well, I finally got all the parts I need to hopefully fix my brakes for good. Well, actually I shouldn't say for good. We still have some issues. Grand Design is well aware of it. That clearly there was a problem from the factory in building or putting together all of this. But got the seals to redo everything. And we got 6 new brake assemblies. So it's the backing plate. Let's get that all in here. So, in another video, I'm going to show you the whole installation or replacement of all these and how to do this. It's not a hard job, it's just a messy job. But we'll get it done. We'll get it done. So I have to be honest, I'm not looking forward to it because it is a big messy job. So why don't you go ahead and take a look at this intro, and we'll be right back. All right, welcome back everybody. So I stopped and got a few supplies to finish this job. Got some grease, got some brake clean, got some towels, and as I said, I got all the parts that we're gonna do to do this. Hey Joe.
Hi, howdy, howdy.
Hi. So, well, I said this is gonna be another video that I'll show how we do this job. I wanted to get with you and show you what I did with the batteries. As I mentioned in the other video, we had no battery. The battery just couldn't hold a charge, so I went out and bought a couple batteries. Not the AGM batteries I wanted, nobody had them. But let me show you what I did with that. But while I show you the battery, I need to unload all this stuff. Joe?
Yes. I'd be glad to.
You want to unload all this stuff?
Oh, golly.
Too heavy?
Nope.
You're strong.
Never too strong, never too heavy.
Let's go and check out the batteries. All right, guys. Here we are, front compartment where my generator is and my batteries are. Let me go ahead and turn the camera around for you and... No, I got it. Okay, Joe's trying to grab the camera out of my hand. Joe, look, stop doing that. All right, so let me turn the camera around and show you what we're doing. As you see in here, instead of the one battery, I now have 2 batteries. So I wired this up in parallel, and for those of you who don't know, parallel is simply taking the negative, going to the negative of this battery, and the positive of this battery to the positive of that battery. Oh, and I see my little tire minder clip came undone. I'm going to be buying I gotta just find them, they're in here somewhere, some little loops so that tire minder stays on permanently. At any rate, I took the original battery box that was in here. It's basically 2 boxes on top of each other, and I just put them both in one battery box, screwed those down so they are not gonna move and shift, and wired everything back up. Good news is I did test this, and oh, by the way, I should probably tell you these are 110 amp hours each, deep cell marine batteries. And I did put a load on this. I basically unplugged, turned on several items, and even ran a few fans in there, and these batteries held up fine. I think it's supposed to get 20 hours per battery out of there at a 1.5 2 amp drain. I think I'll probably get, based on the amperage of the regular appliances running around here, probably a good 14-15 hours between both of these batteries with everything on. So, which that's pretty good, I think, for both these batteries. So I haven't done the math. Yes, I know I probably should do the math on what my current draw is going to be and figure out exactly what it is. But to be honest, I don't really care as long as I can go overnight and not have dead batteries. And I always set my generator to auto start when it gets to a certain level anyway, so not a big deal to me. So that's the battery configuration that we did. Again, I wish these were AGM batteries. These are maintenance-free batteries, so I don't have to worry about putting water or anything like that in there, but they are not the AGMs I wished for. Hopefully you guys see all that fine. And by the way, it's a cleaner install. I've got a lot more room. So the one battery in the middle here, I now can put my air compressor in here and a few other things and keep it nice and tidy. So there you have it. That's the battery install. So what I thought I'd do after I show you a little of that and while I get ready to put the brakes on, why don't you guys enjoy something I did quite a while ago. We're going to go back in time to when I was at Arches National Park and see the beautiful things that I saw there. So sit back, relax, and I'll be right back. Hey everybody, here's a crew that I met, fellow Packer fans from Wisconsin.
Go Packers!
Yeah,
And are now bucket list buddies because they're going to watch the channel and subscribe.
absolutely.
Absolutely. Say hello.
Hello.
Hi. And you guys going to Packer game this year?
Probably. I hope so.
There you go.
We try to at least go to one a year. Even though we live in Green Bay, it's still kind of hard to get tickets.
Very hard to get tickets.
Yeah,
Yes, I'm very blessed to have the ones I've got.
absolutely.
Yeah, so this is Justin and Brenda McBride from Green Bay.
From Green Bay.
And this is Paula Herman. I'm from Racine, Wisconsin.
Yeah, we
Southern
came.
And I'm the
Wisconsin.
tag along today.
No worries.
Yeah, this park is absolutely breathtaking. We came out here to just pick up her daughter from college, and we just extended our vacation or excursion coming to Utah. First time met in Utah, and it's just mind blowing the beauty of the state, you know, in the different parts of the country, and just having that experience.
It's awesome, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. And I mean, seriously, you know, my husband and I were talking about we should, like, every year just
Take a trip.
take a trip somewhere we've never been before.
Explore the United States.
Absolutely.
So much to see here.
Absolutely, it's just so beautiful.
It is.
So we're hoping that your videos will be an inspiration for places to go.
Yes.
Well, should be. I'm pretty much going to cover all four corners of the country, including Alaska. So you'll see it all and everything in between.
Absolutely, that's awesome.
Not to mention all the fun activities in between.
It's been a pleasure meeting you.
You too.
Yes, absolutely.
Welcome to the channel,
Yes.
and great meeting you guys.
Great meeting you.
Hey everybody, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed that beautiful place, Arches National Park.
Yeah, which I was not invited to.
You were invited,
I
you
was
just
not
weren't able to attend
No.
because of your job.
The minor excuses.
Don't we hate that work gets in the way of our life?
Of our life, that's
That's-
exactly it.
Why does
Look
that
at
have to
this.
happen?
Look at this beautiful park.
Yes, we are. That was a truck letting their air brakes out. We are at a campsite that is one of the most pretty campsites we have. We're on the
Okinaganama.
No.
Anakanawawa.
Anakantan, something like that river. We'll get the exact thing and I'll put it down below here.
But it's really
But it is a beautiful little camp spot. It's in Holtwood Campground.
it's a happening place, man. You gotta be town square is something else. We'll get a video for you.
We got on our bikes and we were able to ride across town. I mean, the entire town.
Yeah, and we didn't have to use any
And
of
it
the
took 4 minutes.
gas. Right. Right.
So it's a very tiny area, but
Right.
it's a cute little area.
It is.
It's very, very pleasant, very nice. People are wonderful so far that we've met.
Yeah. Can we wrap this up? I'm hungry.
You hungry?
I am very hungry.
You want me to take you to dinner?
Yes, please.
All right.
I like
She's
to
hungry.
eat.
She wants to eat. Yes, as tiny as she is, she eats a
I
lot,
eat.
believe it or not. And she orders a meal that she's so excited about, has a few bites, and guess who has to eat the rest of it?
Not all the time, though. It just depends on what day, because I really do or can eat a ton.
She can't eat more than me and many times.
That's why I order the
which
whole
is
thing,
shocking.
because I don't know really what I'm going to put away.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
So,
Time to
we
eat.
want to thank all of you for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button,
Subscribe,
and ring the bell for the notifications. And another thing I really appreciate, in fact, here's a question to all of you.
Yeah.
So what I'd love for you guys to comment on is the batteries. Do you guys run AGM batteries, lithium batteries? I wish I had them, but I just can't justify the cost.
Until we get our big rig.
Well, I don't know. It's hard to justify the cost. But I have seen some lithium batteries. I haven't read a lot about them for $400 to $500, one $600. So that's getting there in price. It's maybe a little better, but the $1,000, $900, that's just can't justify that. Anyway, leave your comments. What kind of battery configuration do you have? Do you guys run one battery, two batteries, four batteries? Are the AGMs, are they just maintenance frees, or are they just the regular old acid-filled batteries? Love to hear your comments.
My belly.
Acid-filled belly. Yeah, just like that. Well, you do put out a charge.
No, I drain everything.
It's true, you do have
I
a
do.
load.
That's a whole.
No, it's a load. It's called a load, a draining electricity.
Can we not say that one out loud this time?
Oh, okay.
You could say anything. Not that. We didn't say that out loud.
We're crazy.
We'll talk about that some other time, how we're just
Yeah.
in the presence
Okay.
of. Okay, guys. Well, we're going to go eat.
She's hungry.
I'm hungry.
Say
go.
goodbye.
Say bye. Bye. See you.
Bye now. So, well, Joe, you want to unload the truck while I go show him all this stuff?
Well, sure I will.
Let's not do it that way. Okay, let's try that again.
Okay.
Come back, yeah.
Oh.
No, that's it. No. Come back when I call. Why don't you come on in here while I'm talking?
Okay.
No, wait, where did I leave off?
Yeah, you said. Well, Joe, you want to help me?
So, oh, okay, that's
I
what it
wasn't
was.
even next to you. Yeah.
So while I'm, not yet. I'll cue you with the finger.
Can I go now?
All right. Come on. We're running out of daylight.
If I could, I'd come drop down from there.
Pick your head up.
Hi.